Yo, what up, man? Yeah, you saw that video? Yeah, dude, that trail was crazy, bro. Yo, what are you doing, man? What do you want? I gotta shoot an unboxing right now. Just hanging out, man. You have to go. Every time, bro. You're in the way, dude. Man, yo. You believe this guy? What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm back here today with another unboxing slash review of this Hiboy S2R Plus scooter. Hiboy has reached out to me and asked me to review the scooter, so shout out to Hiboy. This is a super affordable scooter that I think you guys are really gonna like. So as usual, we'll go through the unboxing and the full review of this thing. Let's go. Alright, that was super quick, painless. Most of the scooters put together. I just had to unfold it and install the handlebars, which is just 6 screws, 2 on each side, pretty easy. One cool feature of this scooter that I wanted to show you guys is if you take the keys, there's a keyhole right here on the side. And if you undo it, the battery is removable, which is pretty sweet. If you're going to store it or whatnot, very nice feature to have. Slides right back in and you're good to go. And obviously it comes with the charger and instruction manual and some Allen keys. So as always, I'm going to fully charge this thing before I hit the street, and then I'm going to talk about the specs and give my honest opinion of the scooter. Catch you guys in a bit. Alright guys, let's get this thing started over here. We are on the Hiboy S2R Plus electric scooter. This ride is so smooth. I am in the regular sport mode. There's like green sport mode and red sport mode. They advertise that this scooter can go 19 miles an hour. We'll check that as well. Let's see how it does in this uphill. Oh, no problem at all. Look at this thing. It's pretty nice. It's got the brakes in the back. So this scooter has a 350 watt motor coupled with a 36 amp 8.7 amp hour battery, which is, I mean, for the weight and what it is, it's enough. Definitely enough to get you to where you need. It's got 9-inch inflatable tires, which I think this is why this ride is so smooth. I've ridden on different scooters in the past and they're not as smooth as this at all. It also has this cool bell over here to let people know that you're coming, which is pretty nice. We're gonna test out sport mode right now in this parking lot where there's not a lot of people. But for the price of what it is, I think the scooter is like $450, which is insane. So if I double tap this, it goes into sport mode, and let's see what this is about. Oh yeah, the takeoff is much faster, for sure. Definitely feels like 20 miles an hour. Alright, so as I mentioned, it's got a 350 watt hub motor that's so quiet, it's crazy. It makes this thing so nice to ride on. It's got a 36 volt 8.7 amp hour battery, which should give you a range of, I'd say, roughly
20 miles or so, depending on how you ride, of course. Look at this guy. What's up, guys? Let's pass through this nice little section. Look at this thing. It's got 9-inch air-filled tires, which I think that's why this ride is so comfortable. As far as maneuverability, it's like super light and maneuverable, and it folds in half like I showed you in the video when I unboxed it. It folds in half. You could put it in a car. I mean, that's what I did coming here. I threw it in the trunk of my car and just came over here to this beautiful lake. Other than that, it has 2 power modes, green S and red S. So I'm assuming it's like Sport and Sport Plus. In Sport Plus, you are able to reach 19 miles an hour, which I don't have my phone GPS on me, but it definitely feels like 19 miles an hour. So we already covered that it has the removable battery, which is really nice feature to have. I haven't seen a lot of scooters with removable batteries like this one has, and the price point is pretty crazy, pretty insane. It's like $450. This is before my discount. If of course you're interested in this scooter, I will leave links in the description with the discount code, so you guys can check out the discount code and get a little bit more. I'm not sure exactly what percentage it will be. I'll leave that up on the screen so you guys can check it out. And another thing, this actually comes with its own app. So there's a Hiboy app you can find on the App Store or the Google Store or whatever, and it gives you information about the battery. You can actually lock the scooter, so if you're going to the store real quick, you can lock it. It will show you information about the battery percentage. You can also set a speed limit in there as well. So let's just say you got your little ones trying to ride it and you don't want them to hit the full 19 miles an hour, you can limit that through the app. Another cool feature through the app is if you're on like a long haul, you can set up cruise control, which is crazy to have on a scooter, where you just set it up and the scooter will do its thing on the same constant speed all the time, which is pretty nice to have. And that's pretty much it. This is the Hiboy S2R Plus. Very nice, affordable scooter, guys. Check this thing out. Definitely check out the links below in the description that I will leave regarding this scooter. Super nice, super affordable. But that's pretty much it for me, guys. I appreciate you watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.